Are you a lost dad or father of a kid on the spectrum? The father's thought process deep down is particularly the same, that I need to provide. Yeah, this time the saber-toothed tiger is not an actual tiger, it's autism. Out of 24 hours, 8 hours gone, 16 waking hours. Yeah, one of the parents, if that was a possibility, could have devoted those 16 hours to the kid if that was a possibility. I am not saying both, I'm not saying father also. What you need to do instead is learn autism specific teaching and parenting techniques. Hello there, Rajni from Sashakt Empowering Lives. So today's topic is specifically targeted towards dads. Yes. So what's the topic? Are you a lost dad or father of a kid on the spectrum? Not knowing what to do. Yeah. So when a child has autism, the freshly diagnosed, kid, the diagnosis has just come in. And parents are all over the place, they're emotional, mother's almost devastated, the father is little bit in control. Now, after a few days, the next reaction, or let's say once the cruel diagnosis seeps in or sets in, or you are able to digest it after, let's say, a month or 2 months or whatever time somebody takes. Now, the mother begins to look at what can I do, how do I remediate it? So she starts looking at those areas, and the father, almost during the same time on an immediate basis, starts looking at, I will have to make more money because my child will need extra care and protection. Because they're looking at therapy centers, they're looking at everything, they're looking at how much is it going to cost, and that is also scaring the father, that per hour sessions, the fact that whether it will work or not is still not coming to their head. It's just that where's the money going to come in from for this? Now what happens is our thousands of years of DNA, from generation to generation, from the time when we were cavemen, and cave women. So the man would go out in the uncertainty of the weather, when humans used to live naked, in the caves and facing the saber-toothed tigers, and he would say, take care of the child. At that time also, what feeling was that I have to provide for these people. So they would go and get food for the family. It's the same feeling. The situations are different. We're no longer like that. But the father's thought process deep down is particularly the same, that I need to provide. Yeah. This time the saber-toothed tiger is not an actual tiger. It's autism. Yeah. And what therapies and what not and what everything. So consequently what happens is the father is emotionally absent because majority part of his brain is only focusing on where's the money going to come from? How do I make more money? What happens in the process is, in the formative years, the child gets less and less of the father because the father is providing for the future. Whereas the irony of the whole thing is, you will need less and less of outside support and therapeutic intervention if you are more and more connected with the kid. And that goes true for both the mother as well as the father. The situation gets worsened when both the parents are working. And now both of them, the mothers also acquired the role of the father, that we need more money. And then what happens is, no home-based therapy happens because they're so tired by the time the couple comes back from work. Yeah. But they've made arrangement that an outside, delegating it. Delegating the most important work that was supposed to be done by them. Yeah. So what happens is, time keeps going on and the child doesn't show the progress the way the child should be showing the progress. Now, why that happens? It's because not the therapists are wrong. No, therapists are good people. Yeah, they're doing great job. They're passionate about the child. What goes wrong actually is the math. Now look at the math. Out of 24 hours, 8 hours gone, 16 waking hours. Yeah. One of the parents, if that was a possibility, could have devoted those 16 hours to the kid if that was a possibility. I am not saying both. I'm not saying father also. Obviously, he has to go earn a living. But then he's taking it to the next ridiculous extreme, that he's doing so much work and he's so mentally not there with the kid, that the kid virtually is growing up minus the father, although the father comes back home. Because even when he comes back home, he puts himself in front of the TV screen to unwind because of the pressures of the day, which are arising out of the fact that more money, more money, more money for this one, for this one, for this one. And the child is growing up without that love, care, protection, as well as the connection that would have taught him so many more things which the therapist may not be able to teach. Why? Intrinsic motivation is gone. With the therapist, it's a soulless kind of a thing for the kid, not from the therapist side. They're trying to make all the noise and this and that, but the child's connection, which is with the family, that intrinsic motivation cannot happen. The therapist cannot replace the parent. It can't happen. Yeah. So in families where both of them are missing, it's absolutely, I don't have the right words for it, but the parents have to come back home and make the time and keep their, frustration and stress of the day away, and then make the time with the kid to connect at an emotional level in an unbreakable bond, so that the child requires far fewer outside therapeutic sessions. Further taking this, if the child is showing behaviors, the way parents will curb the behaviors at home will be far more efficient if they know the techniques. And it will require far less sessions as compared to outside paid sessions and therapies, which will be too much. Yeah, and still the result would not be the same as what will happen at home. The only difference is when parents think autism is, I don't know what that is, God did some thunderstorm on us, my life is ruined, this child is defective, I have to take him or her to therapy, that's my duty, so I have to earn more. So you are not even trying to understand the kid at that deep rooted level, not trying to raise and build that little seed into a sapling, just making the money which you're going to throw away to outside people with no result. So like I was saying, going back to the math, out of 16 hours, multiplied by 7, right? 112 hours minus 3 hours, which the child goes on a thrice a week to a therapist. 109 hours of sheer potential, not just teaching, matching, sorting, coloring within spaces, ABC, 1, 2, 3, no. But connection, and language comes from connection. Outside area, language comes from going on the beach with the dad. When dad is saying, oh look, this is a shell. Say shell. And not to mention the happiness that the father and the child shared. Yeah? But because the father is so mentally preoccupied with more money, more money, more money, those opportunities don't come. So here's my point. If you're a father, you feeling lost, you're too much under stress, you want to make for your child, you want to give a good future, stop burning yourself at both the ends. What you need to do instead is learn autism specific teaching and parenting techniques, right? And incorporate them in the child's day-to-day life in a loving manner at home. And then, should you wish to make more time for the kid, then you send the kid to therapy. That, okay, if I have these 2 hours, I can plan this vacation, I can plan this outing, we can do this, I can create this material, I can make the pictures and the schedules. I need this kid to go to the therapy center so that I have those 2 hours. And when the kid comes back, you say, okay, it's time, let's go. And then you use it like a reinforcer. You say, last time we went, you had fun. Yeah, we went, we opened the sunroof. And you're making the child talk. Yeah, say, daddy, open sunroof. Yeah, like this. So you say, you want all of that? You'll better listen to teacher, you sit down. Peaceful parenting, peaceful life. I, Rajni Singh, am here to tell you, sir, you're not alone. Your child will do well, provided you know the right techniques and strategies. Please don't fear autism like some demon from Mars. No, it's a condition which is very workable, very understandable. Invest your energies not in earning more and more and more because God knows what's going to come, but peacefully in learning the process and then spending that time holistically and lovingly with your family. I promise you, your child will give you far better results that will surprise you every single day. And I talk out of data of 24,000 people, students worldwide who send us videos of how peaceful the life has become. So if you're worried and if you don't know what to do, I would request you to come on in and join us, our big community. We teach autism-specific parenting techniques, autism-specific teaching techniques. Our endeavor to make it easy for the parents and a bright future for the kids. Yeah, all the links in the description box as well as in the comment box. Go there, click their customized books links that you have these books, laminated ones, touch and feel, that will take your teaching time from 2 months to 1 week. Not to mention the amount you'll be spending every 3 days in the 2 months. So it will take it to 1 week, it will improve your morale, it will keep the family in happy place, and it will give you a breather. You also came to earth to enjoy yourself, not just to work like a machine to provide for the kid. And at the end of the day, it will give you respite from the guilt because deep down the subconscious knows I replaced quality time with money and called it love. That's not what love is. I've seen so many parents say, I love my kid, I've spent 4 lakhs there. No. I love my kid, I spend 4 hours every week with my kid, all by me and the kid, and I get to know the child better, right? If you liked it, like, subscribe, share. Write down in the comments what you feel, how you think. Does this resonate with you? Come on in and join us for our Autism Live. On live, you will see every week we bring up new parents who tell you how peaceful their life is now when they have learned autism-specific teaching techniques, how their child is responding so much better and the future is bright, schools are accepting children, things are changing for autism. Yeah? Also, come on in and join the Autism Masterclass where you will learn the techniques so that you too can live peacefully. I shall see you in another video another time. Bye-bye.